Imagine a life where peace isn't tied to possessions or outcomes. A life where you engage fully but remain free, unshaken by change. This is the essence of non-attachment, not renouncing the world, but transcending it. Most of our suffering comes from clinging to people, expectations, or the illusion of control. But life is like a river, it flows regardless of our grasp. Non-attachment doesn't mean indifference, it means embracing life's impermanence with grace, knowing that true freedom lies in letting go. When we let go, we make space for growth, for joy, for the present moment. We discover that love becomes purer without possessiveness, and peace becomes unwavering when it doesn't rely on external conditions. By releasing attachments, we touch the eternal, a bliss that is not fleeting, but infinite. Non-attachment connects us to something greater, beyond the material. It reveals that the essence of who we are is timeless, unchanging, and whole. In surrendering, we transcend. In letting go, we become free. Remember, non-attachment isn't about losing, it's about discovering. In releasing what binds us, we find the bliss of simply being. Let go, and let life flow.